This condition seldom exists where contamination has been kept from entering the body. The individuals who experience the ill effects of joint inflammation perpetually convey a state of contamination inside their bodies other than the joint zone influenced. By fighting contamination any place it might emerge, in teeth, gums, tonsils, bladder, kidneys, sinuses, addendum or others, you are securing yourself against a future assault of joint pain. Nutrient C is a significant enemy of contamination substance. Verify that your eating routine contains citrus organic products, green or red pepper, berries and different nourishments high in the vitamin C. An eating routine sustained with the Fountain of Youth cocktail will never be shy of vitamin C. Mellow contaminations can be overwhelmed with simply an expansion in vitamin C utilization where the eating routine has undersupplied this significant substance. By sustaining your eating regimen with generous measures of the C vitamin and keeping up a characteristic presence, sun, air, earth and water, you can forestall disease as opposed to have the more troublesome assignment of restoring it once the contamination has started. TH experienced intense joint pain that carried him to a semi-injured state. His left hand was totally stationary and a comparative condition had started at the hips, making him twist at the midriff when strolling, which must be cultivated with the utilization of a stick. The torment made rest practically unthinkable and for a year he had been utilizing barbiturate to actuate rest around evening time. A 3/4 pack was endorsed to be worn for 2 hours, twice every week. Cold water rubs were directed every morning with a grinding rub of the whole body, the influenced zone to be scoured delicately to maintain a strategic distance from pointless torment. Submersions of the knees and the influenced territory were requested. The water pressure upon the influenced point was controlled by the state of the patient, the standard being to stay away from abundance torment consistently. A non-invigorating eating routine was requested, joined by the Fountain of Youth cocktail. Warm packs were applied around evening time, warming cushions enclosed by wet towels. Sun and air showers were regulated day by day, assuming the rain clouds hold back. 3 weeks subsequent to following the above-mentioned, TH lives without the guide of a stick. The torment had not totally lessened, yet at no time were dosing pills allowed and after the primary night, the patient had dosed sufficiently from day 1. At home he stayed on the non-invigorating eating regimen, braced with the Fountain of Youth cocktail, for 2 months. During that time, he proceeded with the utilization of warm packs every night and cold rubs and grating rubs every morning. Toward the finish of 2 months, the torment had died down. TH at that point expanded the extent of his eating routine, proceeding with the accentuation upon vitamin C nourishments. 1 year after he had started his new life, watching all the laws of characteristic presence and furnishing himself with a lot of vitamin G nourishments, the Fountain of Youth cocktail and energetic wet and erosion rubs, TH lost all the agonizing indications of joint pain. There are millions hits on the web. Look drive for wellness, from mental to physical well-being. It takes a lot of research to locate any one site that has such a great amount to offer on every one of these fronts, not to mention one that can join all the requirements for your deepest well-being, happiness, ecstasy and past. For the good of wellness you can quit watching out there, and set aside some effort for yourself, a kind of one-stop shop, balanced lifestyle. Wikipedia